final clouds, winds of 58 miles per hour or higher, hail the size of pennies or larger, and any wind damage to your National Weather Service in Brownsville by calling 956-432. Special weather statement for the following county, inland Willacy County, Texas. Strong thunderstorms will affect Kennedy and Willacy counties. Thunderstorms developing along and either side of Highway 77 from Raymondville to south of Cerrito will affect Raymondville Armstrong.
1960 U.S. Open that we were...
The National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Willacy County and Deep South, Texas, until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging 60 miles per hour winds over Raymondville, moving east at 5 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Ivrea, Raymondville, Lyford. Wind gusts to 60 miles per hour or more will cause some structural damage, mainly to trees and power lines. Poorly anchored roofs, mobile homes, and sheds are also at risk. Please report tornadoes or final clouds, winds of 58 miles per hour or higher, hail the size of pennies or larger, and any wind damage to your National Weather Service in Brownsville by calling 956-504-1432.
Where is it? Okay, now.